There's a quiet kind of beauty in craftsmanship that doesn't rush, doesn't shout, and doesn't try to impress at first glance, but instead reveals itself slowly, detail by detail over time. That's exactly what makes ancient Japanese woodworking so fascinating. It's not just about building something functional. It's about creating pieces that carry meaning, precision, and a deep respect for nature. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today we take you on a journey into the secrets of ancient Japanese woodworking timeless techniques that continue to inspire creators around the world. Imagine a world where builders didn't rely on nails, screws, or modern machines. Instead, they used carefully designed joints, hand-cut with incredible accuracy, to hold entire structures together. These weren't just simple connections, they were masterpieces of engineering, crafted so perfectly that the wood could expand, contract, and move naturally without ever losing strength. It's a level of skill and patience that feels almost unbelievable today, yet these techniques have stood strong for hundreds, even thousands of years. What makes this tradition even more special is the philosophy behind it. Ancient Japanese craftsmen didn't just work with wood, they respected it. Every piece was chosen with care, studied for its grain, its texture, and even its story. Instead of forcing the material into shape, they worked with it, allowing its natural beauty to shine. This approach created not only stronger structures, but also designs that feel warm, organic, and deeply connected to nature. As we explore these timeless woodworking methods together, you'll discover more than just techniques. You'll uncover a mindset. A way of thinking that values patience, precision, and purpose. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a woodworker, or simply someone who loves beautiful design, there's something here for you. These ancient secrets aren't just part of history, they're a source of inspiration for what we can create today. So take a moment, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of ancient Japanese woodworking. Let's explore the techniques, the philosophy, and the quiet brilliance behind this incredible craft. And who knows, by the end of this video, you might just see wood, design, and creativity in a completely new way. There is something deeply captivating about the quiet precision and timeless beauty of ancient Japanese woodworking. Long before modern machinery and synthetic materials reshaped the way we build, Japanese craftsmen were creating structures and furniture that not only stood the test of time, but did so with an elegance that still inspires the world today. In this journey through the secrets of ancient Japanese woodworking, we uncover techniques that go far beyond simple construction. They reflect a philosophy rooted in harmony, patience, and respect for nature itself. These methods were not developed overnight. They evolved over centuries, passed down from master to apprentice, refined through practice, and preserved through deep cultural pride. What makes these techniques truly remarkable is their ability to combine strength and flexibility without relying on nails, screws, or adhesives. Instead, they use precisely cut joints that interlock like pieces of a puzzle, forming bonds so strong that many ancient structures still stand today, resilient against earthquakes, weather, and time. At the heart of this tradition lies an extraordinary attention to detail. Every cut, every angle, and every measurement is executed with intention. Craftsmen would spend years mastering the art of hand tools, developing an almost meditative connection with their materials. Tools such as chisels, saws, and planes were not just instruments, they were extensions of the craftsman's hands. The process required immense patience, as even the smallest mistake could compromise the integrity of an entire piece. But rather than rushing, these artisans embraced a slower pace, understanding that true mastery could not be hurried. This mindset is something that continues to resonate with modern creators who seek authenticity in a fast-paced world. One of the most fascinating aspects of ancient Japanese woodworking is the use of joinery techniques. These intricate joints are designed to fit together seamlessly, often without the need for any external fasteners. Techniques like mortise and tenon, dovetail joints, and complex interlocking systems showcase a level of engineering brilliance that feels almost magical. Some joints are so sophisticated that they can only be assembled in a specific sequence, requiring not only skill, but also deep knowledge of structure and design. These connections allow wood to expand and contract naturally with changes in humidity, preventing cracks and ensuring longevity. This adaptability is one of the reasons why traditional Japanese buildings can withstand environmental challenges that would damage more rigid constructions. Beyond their structural advantages, these techniques also reflect a profound respect for the natural characteristics of wood. Ancient Japanese craftsmen believed that each piece of wood had its own personality, shaped by the environment in which it grew. Rather than forcing the material into a predetermined form, they worked with its natural grain, knots, and textures. This approach resulted in creations that feel alive, each piece telling its own story. The selection of wood was itself a careful process, with different types chosen based on their strength, flexibility, and aesthetic qualities. Cedar, cypress, and pine were commonly used, each bringing unique properties to the finished work. Another key principle in this tradition is simplicity. Japanese woodworking often embraces minimalism, focusing on clean lines and functional beauty. There is no unnecessary ornamentation. Every element serves a purpose. This philosophy aligns closely with the broader aesthetic values found in Japanese culture, where beauty is often found in restraint and subtlety. The concept of less is more is not just a design choice, but a reflection of a deeper way of thinking, one that values clarity, balance, and harmony. The influence of these ancient techniques extends far beyond Japan. Today, woodworkers, architects, and designers around the world study and adapt these methods, incorporating them into modern projects. The appeal lies not only in their durability, but also in their sustainability. In an era where environmental concerns are increasingly important, the idea of building without metal fasteners or synthetic materials feels both innovative and responsible. By relying on natural materials and time-tested methods, ancient Japanese woodworking offers a blueprint for more sustainable practices in the future. There is also a strong spiritual dimension to this craft. For many traditional craftsmen, woodworking was not just a profession, but a form of artistic and personal expression. The act of shaping wood was seen as a way to connect with nature, to bring out the hidden beauty within each piece. This perspective transforms the process into something deeply meaningful, where the journey is just as important as the final result. It encourages a sense of mindfulness, inviting us to slow down and appreciate the value of careful, intentional work. As we explore these timeless techniques, it becomes clear that they are more than just methods of construction. They are lessons in craftsmanship, patience, and respect. They remind us that true quality takes time and dedication, and that there is beauty in doing things the right way, even when it is not the easiest path. For creators, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone passionate about design, there is so much to learn from this tradition. Whether it is the precision of the joints, the harmony with natural materials, or the commitment to excellence, these principles can be applied in countless ways. For the Kuki Decor community, these ideas open up exciting possibilities. Imagine incorporating Japanese joinery techniques into your own projects, creating pieces that are not only functional, but also deeply meaningful. Even small elements inspired by this tradition can transform a design, adding a touch of authenticity and craftsmanship that stands out in a world of mass production. It is not about replicating the past exactly, but about drawing inspiration from it and adapting it to modern needs. As you continue watching, take a moment to truly appreciate the artistry behind each technique. Notice the precision, the care, and the thought that goes into every detail. These are not just skills, they are stories, traditions, and philosophies passed down through generations. And in a way, by learning about them, you become part of that ongoing journey. If you find inspiration in these timeless methods, consider how you can bring a piece of that tradition into your own creative work. Whether you are building furniture, crafting decor, or simply exploring new ideas, the spirit of ancient Japanese woodworking offers a powerful reminder of what is possible when skill, patience, and passion come together. Stay curious, keep creating, and let these ancient secrets inspire your next masterpiece. And if you are enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to support Kuki Decor by liking the video, sharing it with fellow creators, and subscribing to the channel for more inspiring ideas from around the world. Your support helps keep this creative journey alive and growing, bringing you even more unique insights into the art of design and craftsmanship. Until next time, keep building, keep imagining, and most importantly, keep creating with purpose and heart.